Well, today is officially day 2 of Operation Artificial Turf here at the Lilienfeld house. Wanted to quick do an update here inside the house before taking you outside to see the progress, just because the crew is actively working, so between their equipment and music, it's gonna be hard to hear me. But the crew showed up this morning at about 6:15, started using their sod cutter, and you aren't gonna believe the progress that's been made in just 2.5 hours. I'll quick give you a tour of where we stand with everything. Then I have to take off for a couple of meetings at our real estate office, and we'll provide another update tonight when I get home. So come with me, let's see what they've managed to get done in just 2.5 hours.
Encontrado mi camino y empezó a mi vida.